What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is another video, and today we want my friend and it's electric, I guess. Oh, we don't know.
Yes, it's electric, if you didn't know.
I don't know if the difference between electric and
So you're just going to watch him ride it. And the video is going to be terrible. He's not the best driver, I do have to say. It's a little bit of a doohickey, but I don't know what I'm even saying. Caref. How long are they going to watch you ride this for? No one cares. Carmine, come. And he gets stuck. Let them see Let them see my ATV. I don't know. Just pull it out. One sec. Okay, so this is Carmine. Let's see your facial expressions. Can we see? Well, that's the end of today.
No, it's not.
Oh my God. That should be the end of today. Because that would be good.
I mean, let's do a little more.
Okay, just a little bit more.
Oh.
That's the end. That will be the end. Okay, let's go.
And then you can ride around.
Shh. Doing it. We're doing the video. 1 more minute. 3 minutes 30. Oh. It's dead.